ground turkey mapo tofu recipe. It's super flavorful and the right amount of spice. It's a 20-minute one-pot recipe. It makes a large dish. It was enough for leftovers for a few meals. 1/6 of the recipe is only 270 calories and 26 grams of protein. It's so delicious over hot rice and a side of spicy cucumber salad or green veggies like steamed bok choy. Ground pork is usually used to make mapo tofu, but you can use ground turkey or chicken to significantly reduce calories and saturated fat. I always use ground turkey as a replacement for ground beef and pork, and almost always you can't tell the difference. Plus, this dish has so much flavor that you can't tell the difference between ground poultry or pork. The star of the show in this recipe is ground Sichuan peppercorn. It gives a citrus, floral flavor and slightly numbing sensation. It's an enjoyable taste and sensation. It adds lots of depth, especially to this meal. You can buy Sichuan peppercorn in the Asian aisle at Chinese grocery stores. Another star in this recipe is chili bean paste. It's fermented soy and broad beans mixed with chili. It's savory, adds umami, and slightly spicy. Lee Kum Kee makes their own and you can buy it at a Chinese grocery store. This is a simple weekday meal to make. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. So Dan, I see you've helped yourself to some for tofu.
Yep.
What do you think?
Let's try. Very tasty. Has good flavor. Got umami flavor. Just the right amount of kick. Not too spicy.
How does the turkey taste?
It's good. You don't notice anything. It tastes like the actual dish. Pork, right? Yeah, it tastes good. Lots of flavor in it. You can taste all the spices and stuff.
Cool. Thanks.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my Elite Weight Loss Coaching Program at adrianrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.